Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about Visa Bulletin Updates 2024. Staying informed about the latest Visa Bulletin updates is crucial for anyone navigating the complexities of US immigration. Each month, the Visa Bulletin provides essential information about visa availability and priority dates, which can significantly impact your application process. Understanding these updates not only helps you plan your immigration journey more effectively, but also ensures that you are aware of any changes that might affect your status or timeline. In this video, we will delve into the most recent Visa Bulletin updates, examining key changes and their implications for prospective immigrants. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Today, we're diving deep into the latest Visa Bulletin for September 2024. Whether you're waiting for an employment-based visa, a family-sponsored visa, or just looking for general updates, this video will cover everything you need to know to stay ahead in your immigration journey. Let's get started. What's new in the September 2024 Visa Bulletin? Let's kick things off with some big news. The September 2024 Visa Bulletin is packed with important updates that could impact your immigration plans. From changes in employment-based visas to shifts in family-sponsored categories, we've got all the details you need to navigate these updates effectively. So what's the scoop? The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has released the September Visa Bulletin, and there are some significant changes that you'll want to be aware of. Here's a comprehensive rundown of what's new and what it means for you. Final action dates for employment-based visas. First up, let's talk about employment-based visas. The final action dates chart is crucial for understanding when your visa application might get approved. For those of you in the first preference EB1 category, the news is relatively positive. The EB1 category includes priority workers such as individuals with extraordinary abilities, outstanding professors and researchers, and multinational executives and managers. Most countries are seeing relatively favorable dates, but if you're from China or India, you'll need to pay close attention. The dates for these countries are lagging a bit behind due to high demand. The EB1 category is often the fastest track for getting a green card because it doesn't require labor certification. However, the demand from China and India has increased, resulting in longer waiting times for applicants from these countries. It's important to check the latest dates carefully and plan accordingly. Moving on to the EB2 and EB3 categories, these are the second and third preference employment-based visas, respectively. The EB2 category is for professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional abilities, while the EB3 category is for skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. For the EB2 category, there have been some notable changes. Most regions are experiencing a standstill, meaning that the dates haven't moved much compared to previous months. However, there are a few areas where we've seen some retrogression. Retrogression means that the cutoff dates have moved backward, which could delay your application process. For the EB3 category, similar trends are observed. While the overall availability remains steady, certain countries might face delays due to higher demand. It's crucial to check the specific dates for your country to understand how this might impact your application. Dates for filing family-sponsored visas. Now let's shift our focus to family-sponsored visas. The dates for filing chart is essential for knowing when you can submit your application. For most family-sponsored categories, the dates have remained relatively steady this month. However, there are some important updates that you should be aware of. If you're applying under the F1 category, which is for unmarried sons and daughters of US citizens, the wait times can still be quite long, depending on your country of origin. This category tends to experience significant backlog, particularly for countries with high demand. On the other hand, if you're in the F2 at category spouses and children of permanent residents, the news is a bit more encouraging. For this category, the dates have advanced, making it easier to apply. This advancement is a positive development for many families who have been waiting for their chance to reunite. The advancement in the F2 category is a great opportunity for those looking to bring their close family members to the US sooner. However, it's still important to keep an eye on the bulletin for any future changes that might affect your application. What's next? So what should you do next? Stay informed and keep track of the upcoming visa bulletins. The Department of State has hinted that there might be some movement in the October Bulletin, so it's worth staying updated. As we approach the end of the fiscal year, there's a chance that we'll see new quotas and potential shifts in visa availability. This can affect processing times and the number of visas issued, so keeping up with the latest updates will help you stay on top of any changes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need clarification on any of the dates or categories mentioned, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. That's it for today's deep dive into the September 2024 Visa Bulletin. We hope this video has helped understand the latest updates and how they might impact your immigration plans. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep an eye on the Visa Bulletin, stay informed, and best of luck with your immigration journey. See you next time. In summary, keeping up to date with Visa Bulletin updates is vital for managing your immigration application effectively. By staying informed about the latest changes and trends, you can better anticipate your next steps and avoid potential delays. As the visa landscape continues to evolve, regular review of the Visa Bulletin will empower you with the knowledge needed to navigate the immigration process with confidence. If you have any specific questions or need personalized advice, consider consulting with an immigration expert to help you make the most of the current visa opportunities.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about Visa Bulletin updates 2024. The September 2024 Visa Bulletin introduces several significant updates for both employment-based and family-based sponsored visas. For employment-based visas, the final election dates chart shows varied impacts. In the EB1 category, which includes priority workers such as individuals with extraordinary abilities and multinational executives, most countries have favorable dates. However, applicants from China and India face potential delays due to high demand with their dates lagging. In the EB2 and EB3 categories, the EB2 category for professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional abilities and the EB3 category for skilled workers and professionals are experiencing a standstill for most regions. Nevertheless, some areas are seeing retrogression, meaning that the cutoff dates have moved backward, which could delay the application process for affected applicants. This retrogression primarily impacts applicants from specific countries. For family-sponsored visas, the dates for filing chart provides insight into when applications can be submitted. In the F1 category, which is for unmarried sons and daughters of US citizens, wait times continue to be long, particularly for countries with high demand. This video still faces significant backlogs. Conversely, the F2A category, which covers spouses and children of permanent residents, has seen advancements in dates. This development makes it easier for applicants in this category to file their applications and potentially speeds up their processing. Looking ahead, it is crucial to monitor the upcoming visa bulletins for any potential changes in October, as the end of fiscal year could bring shifts in visa availability and quotas. Keeping up to date with these changes is essential for understanding how they might affect your application process. For further details and updates, staying engaged with immigration resources and channels will provide ongoing support and information.